Welcome back to another video of Chuck and Susan's Mazatlan. Our time in Mazatlan is coming to a close. We must go back to the United States next week, and the next video will be the final video. I do have other video that I've shot while I've been here, and I will be making some more videos to put out when we get back. In this video, we'll be continuing to prep for the paint, finishing the Kool deck installation, install the equipment room door, finish the pool plumbing, install the pool lights, clean the pool tile, seal and paint the inside of the plasterwork, and seal the equipment room. So enjoy the video. Here Fernando is installing a one-way valve for the drain off the side of the swimming pool for excess water. He installs a one-way valve so that the smells from the sewer won't come back up through the drain pipe. I didn't get it on video, but later on he had to move the valve up a little bit because it was blocking the plumbing for the bathroom. He had installed nozzles before, but after seeing them, they weren't quite flush with the side of the swimming pool, so he came back and cut off the excess and reinstalled the nozzles. The Kool deck application went on in several different layers. They had to do it that way so it wouldn't crack or anything. So this is the second layer he's putting on, smoothing it out even more. And later on in the video you'll see the final layer. Fernando installed an LED light that is controllable with the remote control and inside the pool house. It has several different RGB colors, and plus it puts on a show if you want it to. You can set the remote control to make it change color. It's really nice. It looks really cool at night. There was lots of cleanup of the tile work on the inside of the swimming pool, just excess grout and dirt and whatnot, and some of the Kool lick had dripped down the sides onto the tile, and Juan did a lot of work cleaning this up. He and Manuel did a really good job in taking care of all the final details. This is a light controller. The following day, the gentleman came out to install the metal door that they had made for the equipment room. It's a really nice and heavy, made out of steel and is powder coated, so it's going to last a long time. Juan spent several days just scraping off all the excess concrete and things that are stuck to the wall before they could begin to paint. This is the third and final layer of the Kool deck. This stuff looks hand-laid. It's very nice. It's irregular, so it doesn't look like it's a sprayed-on product. It actually looks like a terracotta pot or something. But it is very soft to the touch. It's really easy on getting in and out of the swimming pool. It's really nice. I like the product. Juan also filled the small holes and stuff around the edges that had been made while they were making the pool, and sealed it up really nice. This is Manuel. He came in first and sealed all of the plaster work that had been done, and then came back a little later and painted everything. Fernando had came to install the condensation drain for the heater upstairs. As I said, it works kind of like a heat pump, so it does have a condensation drain, and it has to go down into the pool house into the drain. He also hooked up the automatic watering system on the inside of the pool house. Juan and Manuel are two of the hardest working guys on this whole crew. They just worked diligently all day long. They took very few breaks, and the work came out really good. I don't think I could stand up there and scrape with a scraper on concrete all day long for 2 or 3 days. That just is not something I could do. Here, Juan is sealing the fresh concrete on the equipment room. The water down here has so much salt in it. When they mix up the concrete, if you don't seal it, the salt just seeps back through the concrete and makes all the paint fall off. So you have to seal it up really well. By the time Manuel got finished painting all these plaster beams, they looked like they had always been there. It looked like they were part of the structure, and that's what they were meant to look like. And that'll wrap up another week's work. They did a lot of work this week in cleaning up, and as you can see, we are almost there. Next week will be the final video for the pool build. It's a great day in Mazatlan, it always is. If you know anybody who likes pool build videos, please send us our way like always. And thanks for following along. We really do appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.